Hey guys, this is Simon from WP Health Watch. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 different ways to install Google Analytics. I'm going to talk about how you can use a plugin called Monster Insights to install Google Analytics, and I'm going to talk about how you can use the Google Analytics code to install it inside your WordPress website head. Then the third way we're going to talk about is to use Google Tag Manager. And to do the same thing, I'm going to show you right in the video. So ready? Let's go! Okay, so now we're back to my computer screen. I'm going to just briefly talk about what is Google Analytics and what it can do. So Google Analytics helps us to build a whole picture, helps you understand your whole website, and you can better evaluate the performance of the content so you can decide what sort of marketing that you can do for your business. Okay, so that's the brief of it. You can read my blog down below in the description to understand what exactly it does. So now, what we need to do is to create a Google Analytics account. We're currently in my development store for H&H Health in downtown Toronto. It's a natural health boutique. So what we need to do is go into Google Analytics. You will need to create a new account. I already pre-created an account, but it's fairly easy. All you need to do is just Google Analytics. Okay, so all you need to do is go in here, click on that, and then it will jump into create a new account when you first click on that. Okay, I already did that, so let's go back to when you get to the screen. Once you create a new account, you get to here and you get to account setting. So you have to create an account, and you already done that if you follow my blog. It's basically just using a Google account. Everybody has a Google account. If you don't have it, just go to the link below and create your own Google account. So right here, you go and create new account. Again, if you, I'm just showing you, but this is basically just your name or your company name, your website name. Change the URL, make sure it's in HTTPS, or otherwise you can't be found. Industry category, choose healthcare if you are in the same niche as I am. I am a licensed osteopathic manual practitioner in downtown Toronto, so I choose healthcare. Reporting time zone, I'm in Canada, so pick Canada. You're in the United States, pick United States. Go down and click Get Tracking ID. Next, very quickly, create a new property. This is how we're going to be showing different settings. And again, you want to make sure you want to track the website. If you have mobile app, that's what you're going to do. Website name, your business name. Website URL, again, same thing. Follow the same step, choosing the same category, same time zone, and then get tracking ID. That's done. The next, you need to make sure that everything is done properly. So view setting, you got your view ID, your website URL, make sure it's right. Default page, make sure you put in the website name. It's URL parameter. Just don't worry about them. Search tracking. Don't worry about it. Save everything. Okay, make sure you save everything. This is the more advanced version. I'm not gonna worry about it. So now, first step of the first method that you can install Google Analytics is through a plugin. So what we need to do is go to the dashboard, which I just did by clicking on the left side your logo name. If you are using WordPress site, this is the best way. Okay, I'm only teaching on how to do this in WordPress site. So go to the plugin, add new, and type in Google Analytics. Then make sure you install Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insight. Click active. I already have it active, and go. It will look like something like this. I already installed it. So when you first click active, you will be asked authenticate everything. So what you need to do is when you click on that, you click next, click to get Google code, click the account that you have, click allow, get this code, copy and paste. Now when you get to here, this analytic profile is what you created. All right, back in here, property setting. You have tracking ID UA2 something something. This is mine. Don't use it. You don't need to track mine. So this is the same one. Click on that. Done. Low. Okay, done. You're closing this. Now you go back to the dashboard. It shows that you have installed it very easily. Okay, done. Now this is the first step. The second step is more preferred way. If you know coding, even if you don't know coding, this is still very simple. So the second way is so that you have to get the Google Analytic Tracking ID. So you have to go back to, once again, going back to the home, going to admin, going to tracking info, underneath property, get the tracking code. You have to install this Google global site tag into the head of every web page. Now, from here on, if you're using the Clinic Kickstarter template that I provided to you and you download and install it, you can install this tag really easily. If you're not using it, but you're also using something called GeneratePress Theme, that will also be very easy to do this. I don't know the other ways right now because I'm used to create things in a certain way. But I'm going to show you my way under this. So go back here, go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and underneath Appearance, click on GP Hooks. Right here it says WP Head. That is your head of every single web page you want to track. Copy and paste this, and make sure you click on Exit PHP, Save Hooks. Okay, that's it. That's all the steps that you need. Once you have done that, you will start to see the menu starting to show up. Okay, you've done your job. But this is the third way that I talk about using Google Tag Manager. What is Google Tag Manager? It's just another way for Google to help you install like different tags, like JavaScript, like all kind of code. You don't have to worry about what it is. You just have to know that using Google Tag Manager, you can install like Google AdWords, Google AdSense, and all the other like Google stuff using Google Tag Manager. So all you have to do is Google tagmanager.google.com. Once you're here, you need to create a new account. I already created. You just follow it, or if you don't see this, just go to my blog, which I'll list it down below. What you need to do is to go to admin. I need to go to admin, and then underneath container, it shows the same code, but this time there's two codes. It says paste this code as high as in the head, so the head gets installed in the WP head. Then after header is actually where it means by after the opening body tag. So you install this one in here. Again, execute PHP. That's done. Nah, not yet. You actually have to do a few things. So you actually need to add new tag, which is right here. Click on that. Click tag configuration. Click on Universal Analytic under Google Analytics. That's the newest way to track. Track type is page view. Setting, new variable. New variable is Google Analytics setting. This is what you have to choose. Tracking ID. This is right here. Tracking ID. So you want to make sure you copy and paste. Go to here, and then auto save. Okay. That's your variable. That's how you're gonna get everything. Stay here. And it's triggering all pages. And that's it. You save. It's done. I already have a tag. I don't want to get a new one. And after you're done with that, make sure you can click on preview first. Preview is pretty cool. You can show whether or not your website has been tracked. So right here, it'll pop up. Okay, something in the bottom. It says, oh, Google Analytics fired one time. So people found you. Okay, Google found you. And yeah, that just shows that you're done. So go back to the previous page in Google Tag Manager. Click Submit. And create versions, just type in the name. I already done that. I don't need to do it anymore. Just click publish. Then your work is done. So my job is done for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to know the latest way to install, update, and develop your WordPress site for your clinic. And make sure you click on that little bell beneath me. You will get notification to whatever the newest video that I create. And last but not the least, please share, subscribe, like. It'll be really helpful. Alright, that's it. Have a good one.